Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy today. So, hey, let's paint something. So the other day, I was on Instagram and this little ad popped up, as we know they love to do. But anyway, this is some Arteza acrylic paints, and they had a special, and then I got a 10% coupon. So I ordered these little small sizes to see. I got actually 60 colors, which is pretty cool. I think it's 60. I don't know, maybe half of that. I don't know, it was a lot. But anyway, I wanted to give it a try. I wanted to see how they mixed with my pouring medium, and just give it a shot here. So what I've got my canvas ready, and I've got my paint colors ready. I wanted to go with some really earthy tones. I think I've been using a lot of, variety of other things. Anyway, all of these are the Arteza paint. They're real concentrated, it seems like, versus, what I've been using. So I did add more of the Floetrol, probably like a 3-to-1, maybe even a 4-to-1, because they were very concentrated. So I'm going to pour my layers in here, and then we're gonna start pouring. Always remember, what goes on the bottom of your cup is going to be what comes out last. So I've got all my colors layered, and whoops, as I'm yanking off my plastic, I want to make sure I got it where you can all see. I'm going to start, pardon me, more like the ring pour that we were doing the other day, and it kind of gave me this idea. Gonna see if it's gonna work. I don't really know at this point, but we're gonna see if it's going to do what it looked like it possibly could have done when we were pouring the other day. So anyway, I want to give it a little shot here and see what we got. I'm gonna make a little spout. Now, unlike before where I started in the middle, I'm gonna start here on this end, and I'm gonna start my pour just like we did with the ring pour, making little small circular motions. Now, as this gets close to my edge, what I want to do is go ahead and start to tilt my canvas up. Now I'm going to push forward a little bit away from me because I want to push these rings on down. Pardon me, I'm losing my voice today, folks. I have no idea why. Maybe I talk too much. My husband would probably agree to that. If you notice, I'm trying to do this really slow. I don't want to just like let it just all dash and change all my shapes and the pattern that I have going. And I see a little blob of something right there. Like I said, this paint was very concentrated, and I don't know that I helped it, but we're going to move it around a little bit still. And we'll take care of that. I think I want to use, I'm going to come here on the edges, and I'm going to use this, it was actually called, and let's see, it was kind of cool looking though. It's called Pearl Deep Brown. It actually looks more of a grayish brown to me, but it's really pretty. So I'm gonna put like literally 3 drops of that. And you do, and with this, I'm finding it needs to be stirred really well. I do need a little bit more of my Floetrol in here. see if we can grab just a little more here. That looks good. Okay, I want to kind of come in here on these edges. I always have paper towels handy. This is fun, but it gets messy. So have your workspace covered good. That little spot was bugging me. When you're coming back and adding paint, be careful not to do what I clearly just did, and don't drag it over your project. That's still one little, no, it's covered. I just made a nice little. There's some little bubbles in there. Stick my finger back over it. Okay, so there we have it. Using the same, kind of method that we did the other day, just a little bit different. It's still, I'll be honest, it did not do exactly what I was wanting it to do. But that being said, when you're doing this type art, unless you just hate it, which I don't hate this, you can still come up with something really, really cool. And I did not use any of the treadmill belt oil, so we don't have cells popping up. But what we have are these lines, and that was because of the pouring, the ring, the little back and forth that we did. And I like this. I like the color contrast. I haven't done any earth tone, I don't think, projects in a while. So pretty happy with this. Now, I got to looking at this, and y'all know that I have trouble leaving well enough alone. I'm going to flip this over. Or am I? Wait, which way? Yeah, let me see. Let me look at it up this way. And I just had another thought. And so either you'll be seeing this or you won't. It's going to be that simple, because I may just totally make a big old mess up here, but I don't know. So I just really wanted to add another step here. I've cut a very long piece of string. I've been doing a lot with the strings, I realize. But I don't know, I kind of think it's endless possibilities here to add to your project, add some character or just personality, your personality. Just go another step. Now, what's going to be the tricky thing is I don't want to drip this all over in the wrong places. And it's only going to take just a short little moment here to know if this is going to work. Okay, what I have envisioned, and what's going to be hard is to not drip it because see it's getting wanting to drippy. So I'm going to start here. Oops, and there went a drip. Ah. Okay, we're gonna know just really soon if this is going to give me something that I want. Kinda, but not exactly, huh? Okay, so that was not a great. I thought maybe, well, you know how you can have something envisioned in your mind and it doesn't always work. So I'm gonna come back with what I've done before, and that way I can catch some of those little drippages. Get another piece of string. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna start up here. Wasn't super happy with how that one did, but okay, I can't say that I'm displeased. Let me turn it around and, whoops, carefully. See what you guys think. Just gave it, talk with your hands, Kathy. Gave it a little, I don't know, just a little different something. Let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you will give this a try. layer your colors, do the little rings, and see what kind of a pattern that you can come up with, because it's pretty much endless what you can come up with and what you can do. And I hope you'll give it a try. It's a lot of fun. Whatever you do, make it yours. Make it personal, and you can do it. And guys, I want to thank you so much for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. So pass it on, and I appreciate it. Have a great day.